To be or not to be?
Let's ask the question.
The proliferation of...
No, I want 14 to do this.
Impacting life.
Theatre. I can talk about it. Should I wrap up on this and work on this? Let's focus on one, please. Right?
To be or not to be?
To be or not to be?
To be or not to be?
That is the question.
Twitter. I'm by asleep to say we end the hearting and the 1,000 natural shots.
Long ago, from the mind and fingers of William Shakespeare, was born a character called Parody.
And by opposing, end them. To die, to sleep, no more. And by asleep, to say we end the heartache and the 1,000 natural shocks. That flesh is hurt.
No, sir. Hear you. Yes, no man.
Let's try something new. To be or not to be? Let's ask the question. Let's ask the question. We ask the question. The proliferation of the technology.
Wait, what? Technology.
Ooh. Impacting live theatre.
No, you goody.
Yeah, you.
So why you wanna? Get up out of the theater.
Twitter, BlackBerry, Facebook. Twitter, BlackBerry, Facebook. Twitter, BlackBerry, Facebook. Twitter, BlackBerry, Facebook, click, ping, save, send, click, ping, save, send, tweet it, like it, share it, tweet it, like it, share it, just share it, tweet it, like it, share it, share it. When times have changed, with so much left behind, art withstands the test of time. Before cell phones and iPhones and all of the Facebook profiles.
Theater is entertainment.
Giving voice to the voiceless. Opening one's closed minds. With the of the earth, flowing like the wind, ever changing, ever growing,
but never standing still.
to be or not to be, or not to be. Let's ask the question. To be or not to be.
To be, to be,
To be. To be.
to be.
Yeah, yo.
The proliferation of modern communication technology impacting live theater. That's all. Theater. Whatever it is, you've got to click, pin, save, send.
You see, theater finds its place with DVD and MTV. Theater replicated by dancehall.
Yo, Elvis, we don't never eat. It's yo,
And carnival.
this carnival, we walk it. 200 yards, the 20 man, nobody can stop this one.
The proscenium arch becomes my living room. My costume is hot. My costume is a hot fashion of the day.
What you on top?
Easy with the Kenyan style.
To be or not to be, yeah. Oh, for the theater side.
Yeah.
Theater imitating the Harlem Shake.
You selector! Play the music and make me mash up the place. Yes. Mixes up. To be or not to be. To be or not to be. That is the question asked. We need the answer. That is the question asked. We need the answer.
So you love the omelette?
Hamlet.
The omelette.
That's it again.